Never show off your position, because today you have this position, tomorrow it will go away. There are many people before me are born and they were emperors and kings and queens. There are many people who will be great president, prime ministers later also. So don't think that this position is permanent, It is a transient, and don't be show off that one. Don't show off. Be humble and be natural and be a good human being. And when God has given you a position, please help people who are poorer than you or who require some help. You first get a first rank, this, that I never told. Be a good human being first. That is more important than me achieving ranks. Though I myself got gold medal, but I never expect my children should have gold medal. I got it, it's okay. They don't get it, it's also okay. But be a good human being, be honest, be positive.